Welcome to the Vette Net, the first Corvette-only online brokerage company, founded in 1998. Whether you are buying or selling a Vette, we offer you our extensive knowledge and commitment to help make your transaction pleasant and professional. The Vette Net is a proud lifetime business member of the National Corvette Museum. We are proud to bring to your attention one of the most desirable and coveted milestone models, the last of the bumper cars, the last of the LT1s, the last of the removable rear glass, the last of the Holley carburetors. GM made only 1741 LT1s that year, just 6.4% of production. This beautiful coupe with 99k miles on the clock and with a lot of work done too. It comes with the original, matching numbers LT1 engine. Engine has just sustained a thorough rebuild, bored 30 over, new Wiseco pistons, Eagle Sur lightweight rods, competition cams, solid rollers. It is mated with the matching numbers M20 wide ratio 4-speed manual transmission. Correct rear end code LR, 3.36 positraction. Interior appears to be the original optional leather in very good and complete condition as seen in pics. It comes very well equipped for an LT1 with tilt and tele-steering column, power steering, power brakes. It appears that the body was off the frame as indicated by the new body mounts and highly detailed frame. Original spare tire, brand new Firestone wide oval tires. Paint is an older correct Ontario orange, 4,891 made, 18.1% of production, showing the right patina here and there. Car has been gone through and all is in working order. Vacuum operated headlights and wiper door, gauges, instruments, clock, horn, etc. Here is your chance to enjoy one of the last classics alive that needs nothing but another good home. Car comes from Florida and can be shipped nationwide and all over the world. Financing assistance provided by clicking on this link. For information on this car, please contact anytime Ken at 866-838-8363, 866 Vette Net toll free, 1-941-586-9924 international, or email ken@thevettenet.com. Since 1998, the Vette Net, a business lifetime member of the National Corvette Museum, has established itself as the premier source for buying, selling and leasing Corvettes, with thousands of enthusiasts assisted nationwide and international. We drive Vettes, we live the lifestyle, and enjoy the hobby. Our motto is undercommit, over-deliver, and we guarantee a pleasant and straightforward experience. Do you have a Vette for sale? If yes, you may want to take advantage of our unique free marketing program requiring no upfront fee and no exclusivity. Click here to submit your Corvette for sale. We are expanding. Are you a Corvette fan who is looking to mix his passion with helping other enthusiasts buy or sell their prized cars? Generous commissions, flexible time, no upfront commitment are some of the perks. If interested, we would like to hear from you via email info@thevettenet.com or by calling 866-838-8363. Due to the highly volatile Corvette market, some units might not be readily available. Please inquire for details. Images copyright, the Vette Net.